Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure virtualization is on in BIOS, and confirm Task Manager shows virtualization enabled. Once done, you download and run a lightweight installer that enables Sandbox-like features on Windows 10 Home, because native Sandbox is only on Pro and Enterprise. You do this now so the rest of the steps work. It adds required packages and a helper service. This saves time versus upgrading editions and ensures the virtual environment will launch cleanly when you proceed. Run the installer as administrator and follow the prompts. Accept optional components and reboot when requested. Once back, open the helper application that the installer placed on your system. Configure resource limits like RAM and CPU cores so the sandbox doesn't starve your host. Then point the tool to an ISO or a clean Windows image you want to test. This isolates changes and preserves your main system. Make sure shared folder settings are minimal. Fewer shares means less risk while testing software. Start the sandbox session and install or run the program you need to test. You can interact as if on a normal PC, yet changes are isolated. When finished, close the sandbox to discard all changes. This returns your host to its prior state. If you need persistence, use snapshots only if the helper supports them. If the sandbox won't start, make sure virtualization is still enabled, reinstall the helper installer, and update chipset or virtualization drivers. That single troubleshooting step resolves most startup errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.